You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression, what it means when you describe a date, a year. We'll be looking at how to say more useful Latin vocabulary as well. So this is used for dates that are before the year 0, often said simply as AD. It stands for Anno Domini, meaning the year of the Lord. Domini being the Lord in Latin, anno, a year. Anno Domini, or simply AD, as in 500 AD, for example. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, and I'll see you soon for more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.